How to calibrate the cooldown device in boiling water. Now we will be calibrating the cooldown device using boiling water. Step 1. Navigate to calibration. Press the menu button and double tap to enter the menu. Navigate to settings and wait for 3 seconds to select it. Then, keep pressing the menu button to navigate through the settings options until you reach Calibrate. Wait for 3 seconds to select Calibrate. Then press the menu button and choose Boiling Water. Step 2. Place the probe in boiling water. The device will display a confirmation prompt. Select Yes to confirm. Now, place the cooldown probe into a kettle of boiling water. The temperature reading will slowly begin to increase as the probe heats up. Step 3. Wait for calibration and data transmission. Once the temperature has been captured, the calibration data will be transmitted to the server. Please wait for the data transmission to complete successfully before removing the probe. Thanks for watching.